Imagine if air had a price. Every breath we take. What if it cost us? In a world where air has a price, survival comes at a cost. With every breath, the price climbs higher. Those who cannot afford suffer the most.
Nature gives what we often take for granted.
The air we breathe and the water we drink are connected.
Destruction of nature directly hits the air we breathe. Even small pollution adds up to a deadly cost. Change is possible if we all act now.
Every breath matters. Protect our air, protect our future.
Every industrial breath adds to the cost. Those who cannot pay feel the pain first. Daily life comes at a hidden price. Even nature struggles to survive in polluted air. Air is no longer free, it is currency. Even the air we need for life now comes at a price. Clean air is precious. We must protect it.
Pollution travels from air to water, affecting all life.
We measure what we often ignore until it's too late. Small actions today can save our air tomorrow. Air pollution doesn't respect borders. Air has become a commodity, not a right.
Those most vulnerable suffer silently.
Our actions endanger both humans and nature. Even small actions can create a healthier future. Even the simplest breath now comes at a cost.
Our skies are no longer clear. They are priced.
In a world with priced air, even childhood is constrained.
Air pollution reaches water, threatening all life.
Destruction in one place affects all life everywhere. Those who cannot pay for air suffer most. Daily life now comes with an invisible cost. Awareness is the first step before it's too late. Small actions today can create a healthier future. Air pollution respects no borders. It's a global crisis.
Those who breathe last pay the heaviest price.
Our demand for production pollutes every breath we take. Even small efforts can spark a change. Every breath in this city comes at a price. Even at home, air costs something we cannot ignore. Protect nature. Protect the air we breathe. Air and water are linked. Pollution travels. Measuring the air is the first step to protecting it.
Together, we can restore clean air for everyone.
Pollution is a global challenge, requiring global action. The cost of pollution hits both humans and nature. Every small act today can save our tomorrow.
Together, we can turn the tide of pollution.
Every breath matters. Protect our air, protect our future.